Hey there, I'm going to quickly show you how you can set up private appointments on your BookingHawk.com account. Now, there is a separate part of the system completely that's used by physiotherapists, nutritionists. It's quite powerful and it manages one-to-ones. But for most yoga or Pilates or group teachers, it's not suitable because it only really works if your timetable is set in stone week to week, 8 to 5, 8 to 5, 8 to 5, every day, hourly slots. So it'll only really work in that case. But if you think that will work for you, let us know and we can turn it on your account. Otherwise, the way to manage your private one-on-ones is just to in the dashboard. So you would set it up as a new class essentially. So I'm going to set it up for the coming week. Next week is the first week in May. So if I just go create new class, and I'll just go private, and then you can put your description in here, you can put the location. So it starts next week. So let's say it starts on Monday, May 3rd, and it runs until, yeah, it's Monday to Friday, Monday the 3rd to Friday the 7th. So it's on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I know this week I'm available at 9 on Monday, and I know I'm available at 11 on Monday, and I know I'm available on Monday evening as well for 1 hour. And then Tuesday, I'm available at 9 to 10. Wednesday, I'm available at 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And then I'm not available on Thursday, but Friday of this week, I'm available as well from 3 to 4. Okay, so we've put our times in for the coming week. Now, this is important. We set the capacity to be 1, then set your price. So I'm going to say it's £50 for 1 hour. So it's important to have the capacity set to 1 there. And drop in, we leave that selected. And then you can just fill out your confirmation email here that the client will get. And the final part, which is very important, is if you're using class packs or credit bundles on your account, I'm guessing you don't want a client to be able to use a class pack or credit bundle towards a private one-to-one session, which is of more value. So in the advanced settings, what we want to do is we want to say that the class is exempt from credit bundle. So we set that to yes, and that will mean the client will always have to pay. So clicking save, if we go to our public facing page now, we can see our private one-to-one is here, and if we click into it, we can see it's showing times for the coming week, just as we set up. And because the capacity of each one is set to 1, as soon as this slot is booked by one person, it then turns into a waiting list for the 9 a.m. slot. Okay, so that's your first week setup. Now you don't know, it's not as difficult to do it from week to week once we have it set up once. So you'll know at the end on Friday, May 7th, you'll know what your availability is like for the following week. So it's just a matter of clicking copy here and then changing the dates. So instead of the 3rd of May, this one starts on the 10th and runs until the 14th. And then you know this week, actually you're not available at that 11 o'clock slot. You're not available on Wednesday, but you do have a slot on Thursday. So you can see it's just a matter of quickly updating your available times for that week and then scrolling down here, clicking on save, and then you will have a new listing for your private one-to-ones on the following week. But most of our clients would not set this one up until this week is finished. And that's it. Thanks a lot.